Welcome back, aspiring free melons, to the Free Melon Society. I'm Eli. Thank you so much for joining me again today. Tea. I've got a lovely, lovely tea to share with you guys today. Garlic and onion tea. Now, this tea is so soothing, so powerful, so potent, very, very, very good for you. You can add other constituents to this tea if you like. My personal preference is garlic and onion. And either that or one other item, maybe an herb of some sort, maybe fenugreek, or maybe you can add some ginger to that. Whatever you like, but anyway, this is just a general guideline on how to make this wonderful tea for you at home. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to chop up your garlic. You can use about 3 cloves, 4 cloves, depending on your tastes. Chop them up. Then you're going to do the same thing with some onion. Chop up some onion. You can use one small bulb. You can use a shallow. I believe I can't remember how they're pronounced. Shallots. A shallot doesn't sound right, but whatever. You can chop one of those up, or you can chop up a half of or a quarter of a piece of garlic. Simply, you're going to set your water to boil, and then you're going to throw those constituents into the boiling water. You can let it boil for 3 minutes or 5 minutes, then set the heat to low, and then let that go for another 10, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, however long you like your tea to steep. And there you go. You've got some beautiful, beautiful tea that is really, really going to soothe you. Trust me, try this out for yourself. I think you're really, really going to like it. Garlic, what's so great about garlic? Garlic is one of the greatest blood cleansers out there. It has antiseptic, it's got antiparasitic, antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal properties. You know, this stuff is just fantastic for your blood, so you can really clean yourself out like this. It stimulates the action of the liver and the gallbladder. If you've got a cold or a flu or any kind of bronchitis, this will help with the inflammation. It'll pull that stuff out and just help to drive it right out of your system. Fantastic for that. Yeast infections, garlic is great for yeast infections as well. So anyone suffering from that, you might benefit from a little bit of garlic and onion tea in the morning or in the evening before you go to bed. Onions also have many wonderful characteristics. They're great antioxidants. They've got tons of phytonutrients. They help with inflammation as well, just like garlic. They are great for anemia. If you've got anemia, they're a cleanser for the blood. You know, lots of great and similar complementary effects with these two herbs. So try this tea out for yourself at home. Really, really hope it helps you out. And if you're not suffering from anything in particular, trust me, nothing's better than taking a nice, easy night for yourself and sipping on some garlic onion tea. So soothing. Anyway, I hope that helps. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Subscribe to the Free Melon Society so that you won't miss out on any of the important videos and lectures that we're going to be doing on this channel. Thanks a lot again, and we'll see you next time.